Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How To's. In this video, I will show you how to trade in Roblox. But before we start, we would like to ask you to please consider on leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. This will help us a lot. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to roblox.com. So in the roblox.com website, we want to actually log in first into our account. Now in our account, there's a few things that you should know first for you to actually start trading. So let's go to the trading tab at the left section of your screen. Just click on trade. And from here, you'll see the option that says inbound. So here, the inbound section is actually for trades that's actually coming from outside, meaning the source is actually from outside and people are actually sending you requests to trade. So if you say outbound here, it's going to be the request that you sent for the trades. So this is where you actually see all the trades that you've requested on different people. So here in the completed, these are all the completed transactions or trades that you have in your account. And we also have the inactive, which is the transactions that actually isn't active anymore and it was placed on inactive. So before we actually start trading, we have to discuss first what are the items that we could actually trade with other users or players on Roblox. So let's just go to our profile here under the avatar section. And from here, we want to go to marketplace. Just click on get more. As you can see in the marketplace, this is where we usually get our items to get our cosmetics here. So basically there's different types here, like you have for your head and hats, you have torsos and hands and different kind of stuff here. But sometimes there are actually items that are actually limited. So meaning you won't be able to actually buy those items on the marketplace here. So an example, when we actually go to this item here, example is Star Bling Beanie. When I actually open this up, you'll see a section here that says tradable. So if it says no, meaning this item will not be able to it's not able to be traded to other users. So if you try trading this item to other users, that will not be possible. So trading items can only be applied on some items, which is usually limited kind of items. So for you to start trading an item on your account or inventory here, you should have the tradable option here set to yes. So usually those items are not actually in the marketplace. So I'll be showing you an example item that you could actually trade to different users. So currently I'm in this user's account here. So when we actually go ahead and scroll down a bit, you'll see the collection section for his or her account here. So when we go to this item here that says limited, you'll be able to see the tradable option here set to yes, meaning you could actually trade this item for another item on different users. So yeah, so meaning if tradable is set to yes here, you could actually exchange this to another item on a different user's account. So to see all the items that you have that you actually can trade on your account, you want to go to your profile here, just click on it. And from when you actually scroll down a bit, you'll see the collection section. So if you have the section here at the lower left that says limited, so most probably that item is actually tradable. So going back to the item that we were previously discussing, as you can see, we have other sections that we could actually see here. We also have the price chart, meaning this is actually the amount that people actually paid to get this item. So this is actually a span of 180 days, but you can shorten this to 13 days. As you can see, there's a spike of players that actually bought this for 110,000 Robux just to get this item here. And when we actually go ahead and just scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see all of the resellers for that item. So if you want to buy that specific item on Roblox, but you can actually and no one is actually accepting your trades, then you could actually just try doing the buying from a reseller here. So for example, there's this 107,750 Robux here, and just click on buy and you'll be able to buy that specific item. So, if you're going to ask, how can you start trading on Roblox? Well, you could start trading on Roblox by going to the users or the person or the account that you want to trade with. So, for example, I just want to go to my profile here and I want to go to my followers. Then from here, I want to go to the specific user that I want to trade with. Then from here, you'll see the three dotted icon at the top right of your screen. Just click on it. And from here, you should be able to see the option that says trade. But as of this moment, you'll have to get the premium version for Roblox to have the trade option available on your account. So for you to use the trading option or capabilities on Roblox, you'll have to get the premium version first for you to get started, and that's basically it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.